Hey guys, Mike here with Pool Aid, and today's job is going to be a little different from the usual. We're going to be taking this pool all the way down, draining it completely and giving it a full acid wash to bring it right back to life. The homeowner actually moved out to Florida and is getting ready to sell this place in the next few months or so they called us out with one goal in mind: make this pool look presentable to new potential residents. It's a bit of a grime, but clearing all that debris is key before we can move on. Once it's cleaned out and prepped, that's when the real transformation starts. We'll begin the acid wash and bring this surface back to life. At this point, the water had dropped low enough to be able to see the steps. We grabbed the acid bottles and began pouring it over the steps, and instantly it goes from brown to bright white. Pretty crazy how fast it works too. But this is just the easy part. The real work still lies ahead.
Kind of refreshing for me.
Huh?
Kind of refreshing.
They're cold?
Yeah. It's ice cold.
Yeah, the few pools that I've been getting in servicing, man, they just feel great right now.
Yeah.
It's gonna get to the point they feel like a bathtub.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I have to take a moment to give a shout out to our #1 fan, Pepper. Thank you so much for the support. It means a whole lot to us. So we finally dropped the water level below the shallow end of the pool at this point, and you're getting a much better view of just how stained the plaster is right now, but it's really gonna shine once we're done here. They brush all the leaves to one side of the pool so we can begin shoveling them out here in a moment. Did you guys expect to see that many leaves in just the shallow end of the pool? And if you did, leave a like. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for us too. It helps the channel grow and lets us know you're interested in seeing more content like this. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for, the acid wash. Sit back and watch as we melt away months of grime from these walls. It's always nice watching it turn white so quickly after being washed off. We expected it to take a good amount of acid, but it took more than we had set up by the pool. I actually had to run back to the truck to grab some extra that we had brought just in case. So by this point in the day, it was definitely starting to drag a little bit. We ran into some pump issues early on, and it made the draining of the pool take a few hours longer than it should have. But I mean, that's just part of the job sometimes. Still though, there's nothing like the feeling of seeing it all come together after a long day. And once we get all that grime off, you can really see the condition of the plaster now. And yeah, it's looking a little rough. But now I'm curious. Do you guys think this pool would have been better off with a full replaster? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Personally, I think a replaster would have made this pool look perfect. But then we wouldn't be seeing all this grime peeling off the walls, and I wouldn't be showing you this satisfying mess. So I guess it kind of worked out.